Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the NFC on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the home button. After the screen wakes up, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe up on the screen to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, find the option called the connections, and once you find it, tap on it. Here scroll down and find the option called NFC and contactless payments. Tap on it, and right here we can turn on or off the NFC by tapping on the switch next to the, basically right here on the top. And if you enable the NFC, you can also tap on payment, and here you can install the payment apps and set them up if you want to pay with your watch. And then you can also tap on others, and here you can select the apps which open with the NFC. So you can basically select some apps to open with the NFC if you like to. Okay, you can also enable and disable the NFC through the quick panel. So if you're on the home screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and as you can see on it, we have a bunch of icons. And by default, you won't see the NFC icon here, but you can tap on the plus button, scroll right, and as you can see, we have the NFC icon right here, and it has this plus button. We can tap on it to add it, and then we can press the home button, I believe, reopen the quick panel, and now the NFC icon will be on the quick panel, and we can tap on it to enable or disable the NFC. If you tap on it and the icon gets highlighted, it means that the NFC is enabled, and if you tap on it and it gets gray, goes back to gray color, it means that the NFC is disabled. And that's how you enable and how you disable the NFC on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.